Now, going back to the beginning of all this, these people who do all that stuff, do you care how bad they stink? Do they need to wear deodorant?
Yeah.
Or what do they do? They get somebody to do it, like throw it under there?
Self-care, man.
Throwing some powder under
that's
there.
the thing that people don't realize. Like, when you're locked like this, you can't put on deodorant.
You can get on the other arm either.
And you see, I'm wearing a button shirt.
Yeah.
Most people will wear a button-down shirt like this because putting on a t-shirt is extremely difficult.
Yeah.
Right? But yeah, spray deodorant. Go get a can of spray deodorant and give you a couple squirts up there. And
At least it blocks the stench.
Yeah. No, but that's the thing that a lot of people don't think about. Like, I had a guy ask me, like, how am I supposed to put on deodorant? My wife keeps saying I stink. I'm like, get the spray stuff. He's like, oh.
Wow.
Oh, I'm like, boom.
Mind blown.
Mind blown, yeah.
But it's something so simple.
Yeah.
And button-down shirts. Well, they'll learn that quick.
Pro snap, baby. You ain't even got to work hard.
Pro snap.
I have a guy right now that wears button-down shirts, and he don't button them up. He just comes in with an open.
Beautiful.
I'm like, dude, walking by the girls, like, waving at everybody. I'm like,
Hey.
wearing his sliders. You know, I'm like, good Lord,
I'm
man.
here.
Button your shirt. He's a dirty old man.
Oh, yeah, well, there's a lot of those around. That's right. All right.
But yeah, if they do stink in PT, if it's a dude, I'll tell him. I'm like, hey man, are you bathing? Like, for real.
So and then
I've seen it, man.
So you said if it's a dude, but how do you approach it for a female?
So if it's a female, then I have to approach it a little bit more delicately.
Yeah.
Right. I can't just.
You don't want to be
Lady,
called the HR.
You stink. Yeah. Right. Exactly. No HR for me. Not anymore.
Do you try to do y'all have texts or do y'all have like?
I don't have any texts. No, I'm pretty honest with people. I'll bring it up, but I'll bring it up a little bit nicer with them. The dudes, you build that rapport, the macho thing. You can kind of BS with them, right? But the females, I mean, I do too. But I do ask just about everybody about who's at home with them, who's helping them around, who's helping them get their food, who's helping them bathe, who's helping them do all this stuff.
So yeah, it's like I have to ask all these questions
Right.
to everybody.
So
it
I lump
comes
it in
up.
there.
Yeah,
so like
that's good.
if I'm noticing like this lady is not able to, she's not taking care of herself, I'll be like, hey, so who's at home helping you? Like, are you able to get in the bath? Do you take a shower by yourself? Do you
Who
have
helps you
a
put on
handle?
deodorant?
Yeah, and she's like, oh, I can't do it. And if they bring it up, like, oh, I can't put on deodorant, I'm like, oh, have you tried the spray? Or something. So I'll bring it up, but I won't just jump right into
You
it.
kind of go around.
Yeah. Just spray it in the air and run through it.
Yeah, and some people after surgery, they stop caring.
Oh, I saw a guy come in. Like
Well,
you
it
said,
takes
you talk
more
about the guy for
effort.
6 weeks of playing video games. I had a guy come in with a knee. I know we're talking about shoulder. He came in, nothing for 6 weeks. And he came and saw me.
Total knee.
Yeah, and that was nasty. I mean, he didn't even take the bandage off. He didn't go see his doc, and it was just skin everywhere. Skin fluff.
So hygiene, very important.
Right.
And then showers.
Yeah, I can't
Yeah.
believe
What's
he didn't get a
the
wound.
what's the protocol on showers after post-op?
So you're probably going to still have the wounds and everything, right? The bandages that are on there and the steri strips and all that. And those, you have to just let them fall off. You don't take them off, right? Even if they're just dangling by a thread, you don't pull them off, right? So showering is tough. It's hard. You got to kind of do sponge baths because you can't get it wet. Yeah. Take a shower in the sink. But that's why having someone at home to help you do that stuff.
Yeah, it's tough.
It's so important.